nice. I just wanted to show you I had something on under here, my little wrap towel. So I'm starting off on shampooed, cleansed, and conditioned hair. So I am using I'm just getting my spray bottle water ready just in case my hair gets a little dry. And I'm starting off with the curl primer. And this is a lightweight leave-in conditioner, and I'm just spraying this over my entire hair and making sure I coat every strand with it. It kind of smells to me like a men's cologne in my opinion. But it's a nice smell. It doesn't smell bad at all. So I'm just really making sure I really moisturize my hair thoroughly with this and just make sure I hit every strand. And I'm using a large wide tooth comb to do this. My hair is really growing since I have cut it, so that's why I wanted to show you the length so far. It's just amazing how much my hair has grown. And I always like to just take a wide tooth comb and just go through to make sure my hair is saturated and detangled. Alright, so now I am going in with the curl smoothing pudding. And then the consistency is more of a light. It's not really thick and it's not really light. It's in between. So a good consistency, like a curl gel. Not a gel, but like a curling cream. So I'm going to just apply this in sections because I really want to make sure I just apply it to each hair strand just completely to make sure my hair is well coated with this. And it's amazing so far as I'm applying it. It's really defining my curls. Has great slip, and I mean it's just really moisturizing my hair. My curls are just popping with this stuff. I'm just amazed. Again, I'm just going in each section. And I'm not using a lot. I'm using a little bit, and it's amazing. Just this little bit is really defining my curls. So far, so good. I'm really liking it. And the reason why my hair is a little red, I colored my roots today, so it looks a little red. You know how that is. It's staining my roots, so I've had to do my new growth. So yeah, color my new growth. And the first day is always like this. But anyway, back to the products. And right here in the back is really the coarsest hair back here. So I really apply a little extra here and really take my wide tooth comb and go through to make sure every hair strand is coated. Because yeah, that's my thickest part. My hair is really becoming thick as well, but in that middle part is really thick. I have a mixture of hair types in my hair, so it's like 3A, B, C, and then 4 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Really making sure I hit the ends of my hair too. I just really like this. It's really defining my curls already. I'm really impressed. So now I'm going in with the curl setting gel. And this gel's a little different because it's really loose and it's just a different consistency. So yeah, everything shows on my face. However, when I apply this gel to my hair, the slip is out of this world and it just glides on. I really like this so far. It's just a different texture from any gel that I've used. So yeah, it has great slip and it's just gliding through my hair. And I'm just using the raking method. I'm just raking it, and kind of every now and then I may do a couple of shingling a little bit. far so good. The curls really look good. I'm really enjoying it so far. I just want to give it a really good shake, really good, just to separate those curls. Yes, I like the way this looks. My curls are really defined and I like it a lot. So far so good. So let's see. So I let my hair dry for about an hour or so. My hair's dried really fast, and I'm just using some oil just to really break up. It's not really a gel cast, but as soon as I apply this oil, my hair feels so soft, so moisturized. My curls are really bouncy. So but what I'm doing now, I just want to separate them first. I want to separate because my hair really has defined curls and they clumped up very well. So I just wanted to separate it first to give it a little bit more volume. Then I'm just taking my pick and I'm going from the root, not all the way through, just lifting the roots, just to give it more volume and just make it bigger. I'm not really going to really stretch my hair with heat, but you can if you want to, just at the root to make it, stretch a little bit more. But it's okay. My hair grows when it grows back. So I just wanted to give it a little bit of volume because the shrinkage is real, but shrinkage just means your hair is healthy, which, okay, I'll take that. So yep, just lifting my hair, and I'm going to do that until I get the desired look that I want. But yeah, my hair feels really, really good. The curls are really defined. It's not crunchy. It's soft. It has some movement to it. So yes. And I just like my hair out of my face. So I like to just push it up. Especially right now while it's shorter. I just like the way it looks out of my face. So yes, I just continue to lift from the root until I get the desired look. Apply a little bit more oil, but so far I like this. I do not see any flaking. I've looked at some reviews and I see mixed reviews. Some people say it's flaking, and these products work well together. Some products do not work well. They separate, but this does not. And now I have to lay my little edges just to pull the look together, So yeah, so far I like the product. It didn't separate. I do not see any flakes. As I wear this throughout the week, I will let you know if I do see any flakes and what happened, if it's something different than what I see right now. But so far I really like this. I like the way my hair feels and look. So yes, Mo knows hair. I guess she does. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. Peace and love, guys.